What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we are looking at the freedomfox phone charger hidden camera. It can record at 1080p, you can live stream from anywhere in the world. It also has motion detection with push notifications, which is fantastic. Now with the app, it's supposed to be extremely easy to set up and you can also set up to 8 at a time, so that's pretty cool. It also has a 16 gigabyte micro SD card included, which is really nice. I'm not sure where it's at, maybe it's already in the unit. You also got a USB adapter for the micro SD card, so you can plug it right into your computer real easily. I like how they added both options, very convenient. And then you have, looks like a SIM card removal tool. I'm guessing maybe there's a reset button. Oh, got the little freedomfox logo on the side. Now, if you're not looking for it, you would never even notice it. If the light hits it just right, you can see a little bit of, you can see the camera, but there it is. Super tiny, very discreet little camera. Wow. If this is just plugged into the wall, yeah, you're not gonna tell at all that this is a camera. That's really cool. But there we go, and then you get your USB port. It works as an actual functioning charger as well. On the back here, that's where your SD card goes, and it looks like the 16 gig is already in there. So there we go, it's a Kingston microSD HC card. Nice. There we go, and it sits flush, so when you plug it in, that's completely hidden. See at the very top, one of these is an indicator light and the other one is a reset button. I'm not sure about an indicator light. That kind of takes away from it being hidden, but we'll see. That's not very hidden. That's pretty bright. Oh, it goes away. Huh, curious. So there we go, there we go, it's working. It's a slight delay, but, oh wait, is there a microphone? Test, test. Test.
Test.
There, it has a microphone built in.
It has a microphone built in.
Whoa, whoa. Here you can flip it horizontally, or you can flip it vertically. That's kind of nice. It's weird saying a slight delay though. Blah, 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 blah. So you can take a quick snapshot. You can start recording the video. Also, it's on 640p right now, so I can switch it over to 1080. It should get some better quality here. There we go. Oh, it looks like you can actually change the white balance. Oh, that's good. So if you have a real dark room or a real bright room. Oh, I wasn't sure what that is, but that is the light. So you can actually turn off the LED from the app. So you hit that and it turns off. That's cool. Oh, there we go. Alarm config. Oh, there we go. Motion detection. You can set the different sensitivity levels for the motion detection. Oh, wow. You can even sign up for email alerts. Oh, this is really cool. This has a lot of nice little features. Originally, I set it up through direct Wi-Fi, which is just from here to the phone. Now I got it actually set up to my home network, so now I can go plug it into anywhere in the house, and then I can access it from anywhere. Okay. All right, so now I got it set up. So now I can hear and I can see what's going on. I got a nice view of Mocha and my cat Shadow. Shadow is like 82 in cat years. He's really old. I've had him for a very long time. Mocha, she's like 3. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, you can make it nice and bright. You can make it real dark. All right, stay here. Stay here, I'm gonna go in there.
Is it working? Can you guys hear me?
All right, I'm kind of digging it. I'm liking that it's, you know, it's very discreet. Again, this is one of those things where it's like, you know, if you feel like you need a little added hidden security in your house, or maybe just in your bedroom or your dorm room, or even just an office. Maybe you got somebody that keeps coming and stealing your stapler. Nobody likes stapler stealers. Yeah, I think it's pretty cool. I mean, that is a pretty cool little camera. But all right, guys, that is it. I'm gonna leave links down in the description below as usual. I leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here.